Hey guys, today you will be learning how to update the settings on your keyboard so that you can do things like insert the upside down question mark, upside down exclamation mark, add accents on letters, make the ñ, things of the sort. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to your Windows and go to the settings. Once you're on there, you click on Time and Language and then on Language. Here, it should say English and then in parentheses say United States. Click on there and select Options. And then you have the option to add a keyboard. So click on Add a Keyboard, and from this list, select the one that says United States International. Once you have selected that, down on your lower right-hand corner, you should now have the option to switch between keyboards. Every single time that you turn off your computer or close it and then open it again, it might default to English US. So make sure you just select it to English International. Once you have it installed, you can easily add accents by doing things like pushing the right Alt button and then the question mark, and it comes out upside down. Or if you want the ñ, push the Alt button and the N, and then you have the ñ. If you want the upside down exclamation mark, push the Alt button and then the exclamation mark. And there you have it. There's an easy way to go ahead and add these things on your keyboard by adding English International Keyboard.